Hello class, and welcome to lesson number 2 in beauty. This my cat is upside down hanging on her scratching, but well, nope, now there's just a fight. Cool. Well, I look crazy, but I'm going to take this time to add another lesson in. I might as well, because with a smoky eye or any eye, I will always add false lashes. Yep. So I'm going to do, there's war happening. I'm going to do the lesson in falsies. So yeah, yep. First thing you need is false eyelashes. So step 1, get the lashes. Step 2, you want tweezers. I prefer the little itty bitty kind that have the little slanted tip, you know? Just pretty typical tweezers. So tweezers. Oh my god. I don't want cats anymore. And you want lash glue. I don't even know what it's called, okay? D-up, dup, dupe. Come on, pick it up. This is from Japan. I order it special from Japan because this is the best eyelash glue I've ever put my filthy little hands on. Like, my eyes water just so much. And no other lashes can ever stay on, especially like with the Duo waterproof. No. That's a lie. Never. Until this. They finally stay on, just no matter what is happening. So I'm trying to separate these two. This is 2, and I always just kind of smoosh them together, and I keep them in little cases like that they came in to keep them safe. But you know, it takes a while to separate them sometimes. So please hold. Separation. Boom. All right. So step 2. Well, the next step is to measure without glue. Clementine, why are you this way? Like, I don't understand. Can you go somewhere else? I don't know what I ever did to her. Like, all I do is feed her and let her sleep in my bed. And this is the thanks I get. Anyways. You're going to take it and you're going to measure it on your little eyeball. Clementine, stop. I don't know. I don't know. All right. We're going to measure. Oh God. We're going to measure this on our eye. Forgive my living situation. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm a parent and I can't just abandon my children because they're fucking insane. Measure it. Make sure it fits on your little eyeball. Usually for me, I don't have to trim them because I have like huge eyes. Huge. But some people do have to trim them, and you want to take like the end where it's longer and trim off usually about, oh my god, how am I going to do this without like actually trimming it? Usually about one little, like, I don't know, what are those called? Oh my god, think. Cluster, one cluster. So usually like one little cluster. You can see, okay, you know what? There. You can see that they are little separate clusters, pretty much. So you start with like 1, and then, let me just do it right there. Start with like 1, and if that's not enough, do 2. But you want to start with the longer side, because the shorter side, there's not that many of them. The longer side is where it kind of extends, and the shorter side you want, because it, you know, it's important. So always trim from the longer side if you have to. But that's the first step is making sure it fits on your eyeballs. So once you know it does, which I do, I put it in my little tweezers right by the base. Why? Why? I just want peace and quiet for like an hour, but here we are. I grab it right at the base, like right there. You can see it there. And I prefer the slanted tweezers for this reason, because I get more control over where I'm putting it once I have it. So you got a good gripper on her. Now I'm going to apply the glue. I prefer brush-on glue, especially this one, because it's so much easier to control, which is another important part, because a lot of eyelash application is out of your control. So take a very thin layer. You can see there's like not much on there, and you're going to just apply that to the band as such. This is also almost gone, so I'm like really scraping her out. I gotta be able to see, okay? Hold on, hold please. All right, we've got a very thin little layer on there. See how it's like bluish? So once that glue is on, wait, do your taxes, park your car somewhere else, file for unemployment. Just wait. This is vital in lash application, is finding the sweet spot where the glue is not completely dry, but just dry enough to the point where it's just super tacky. And as soon as you pop her on, she's not going anywhere. You also, when you're more of a beginner, you want some more wiggle room. So you want to make sure it's not to that like just tacky point. You want to make sure there's like a little bit of like moisture, dampness left in the glue, but it kind of changes color. This is what? This is all glues. They will all change color as they dry. So it started off very white, more blue. Now it's kind of turning into like a clear blue. That's when I know it's like, it's getting to the sweet point. So I put the glue on one lash, and then I will put the lipstick on one lip, one part of my lip, one half of my lip, one half of my lip. And by the time I'm done with that, then this is usually just dry enough to pop on. So right now I can tell it's like the perfect time. Cats, please. You can see that it's more translucent, and I could see just more of the lash band. Can you guys not? Just for 5 seconds. So I'm going to take that in the center, pop it directly on the center of my lid, and leave it. Just boop, and there. Now I'm going to take that end tail and pop it on directly above the lashes. You don't want it on the lashes, above the lashes, but just above them. So I pop that end corner on, and then I'm going to take that inner corner and pop her right on the inner corner of the eye. Once I've got that pretty much on there, then I just press it up and into the eyelid. You guys, like, oh, it's their dinner time. That's why they're freaking out. All right, I'm pressing it. Oh, I don't know how to record that. I'm pressing it like against my lid, but also up. So it kind of gives it that like lift that you want. And then I'll take my little tweezers and I'll kind of just really push to make sure that the part I stuck on, like the lash band itself, is really on the lid. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. Boom. Hey, no, get out of that. Jesus. Lord help me. All right. It's in a pretty good place. I mean, it's kind of got some old eyeshadow on it. And usually I cover like the base of it with like black liquid eyeliner to kind of get rid of like the shit that's been on there before, but you know, ill prepared, it's fine. I usually don't apply mascara before I put my lashes on because it's so much easier to really see exactly where you want to put it on your eyelid without the mascara. And once the mascara is on there, it kind of gets in the way and it's like sticky and it's like a whole fucking mess. So I don't apply it first, but I do apply it afterwards to my natural lashes underneath. Let me find it. Hold, please. Hold on. So I apply it too, and like there's no possible way you would be able to see because I don't have an amazing, wonderful, like mega HD camera, but you find your natural lashes under there and they don't blend in ever. No one's do. And I just hit those with some mascara and kind of press them against the falsies to make sure that they kind of just boop connect, and it's all like these are my lashes. They're not fake. They're mine. I grew them myself. Wow, aren't they wonderful? It took me 30 years to grow them. Okay, and then I can't stress enough. Hold still, it's okay. I can't stress enough how much practice it takes to really get this just so good at them that you can just boop in like one fell swoop. So take the time to like at night, at the end of the day or whatever. Excuse you. Rude. At the end of the day to just kind of play with them. And it doesn't really matter. Just buy some like cheap ass Ardells. Like they make the 5-packs. Get a 5-pack. You'll have 5 pairs of lashes to fuck with. And then just keep messing with them. Keep playing, seeing like exactly how long your glue takes. You always want to make sure it does get to a point where it's like mostly transparent though. Like you can kind of see the lash band, but you can still see the glue. You'll know, okay? I can't explain it to you more. You'll know. So just dick with the lashes. Find a time of the day where you can. That's the best time to really mess with makeup things, is just like at the end of the day before you take your makeup off. Play with everything. See what you got. See what you can work with. Maybe you'll learn something new. I don't know. But you're not going to be able to pop lashes on in one boop the first try. Okay, so just don't expect that of yourself. Give yourself patience. It's gonna take a while. You're gonna be mad. You're gonna have lash glue in your eyelashes, and don't pick it out because you will rip out your eyelashes. Trust me. So grant yourself that patience. It's a learning curve, especially if you've never done it ever. You're gonna want to practice a lot. So that's lesson number 2. So there's your smoky eye, and there's that nice little falsy action going on with it. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna go feed my cats before they eat me, because I'm afraid they might. I'm pretty sure they're going to someday. Like, if you don't hear from me for a while, please call the cops. Cool. Go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, do the things. Let me know what things that you might want to learn. I might already have it on my list of things that I'm going to teach, but if I don't, I can add it. So let me know. Boom. Okay. Let's get pumped for makeup. Cool. I'm gonna just go again. Yep.